Thank you for joining me for this Inkle weaving class. I'm really excited to delve into this wonderful craft with you. Weaving Inkle bands is a lot of fun and it's so relaxing. One of my favorite things about my Inkle loom is that I can pick it up and take it anywhere, and that I can sit in my recliner at night time and just weave to my heart's content. So what are we going to be learning in this class? Well, we're going to start out with step-by-step instruction on how to warp and weave on this loom. Of course, I'm going to be including all of my little tips for tensioning and weaving really beautiful bands. We're going to be talking about what an Inkle loom is and going over all the different parts. I'll discuss my recommended yarns and why I like them. We'll discuss colour combinations, and I'm going to invite you into my mind a little bit by showing you my design process for when I want to weave a new band. And once we've woven our first basic band, I'm also going to show you how to weave a slit into your band, which can be really handy as a buttonhole or as some sort of opening that you might like to have in your band. After that, we're going to move on to how to weave a tube, which can be really handy for things like shoelaces. And I'm going to finish up by showing you the beautiful pickup Baltic weaving technique. And I have my own way of doing that too. There's just so much that I want to share with you in this class, and I know you're going to love Inkle weaving as much as I do. So I think it's about time we get started.